निकल रहे हैं रोड ट्रिप पे फ्रॉम दिल्ली टू हिमाचल, मी एंड माई पेरेंट्स। अभी बज रहे हैं सुबह के अराउंड 7 AM। सुपर एक्साइटेड, क्या क्या होगा। तो लेट्स बिगिन द ट्रिप। यहाँ तो
ये तो घुस गए, यहाँ तो घुसने की भी जगह नहीं।
अच्छा, we have had very nice heavy breakfast. This is our ride. Now we will be off to our next destination, which we don't know because my dad has planned the whole trip and we just know that we are going to Himachal, but exact itinerary we don't know. So it's an exciting trip. हमारा कवर हो गया है आधे से ज़्यादा रास्ता। आई हैव ड्रिवन ऑल द वे फ्रॉम सुखदेव ढाबा टू हियर। यू कैन सी द कंडीशन ऑफ द कार। It was 90% of the road was quite a good, very well built highway, as you can see in the back over there. In the middle there are some construction going on, so for about 2-3 kilometers there is a diversion, and in that diversion there is it's quite a bit of off-roading, but yeah, nothing a good sturdy car like this can't handle. Now we have taken a stop at Highway King Family Dhaba for some tea and stretching of legs. There is washroom also. It's decent enough. You can see it's a big restaurant. There are people eating. There is a big kitchen, and there's even a pan shop and a lot of beverages. I have driven all the way from Amrit Sukhdev till here, which is I think around 100-150 kilometers. Any review on my driving? Good. Everyone say hello.
Hello.
Hello, mommy.
We have stopped in Khanna Lekra Gaon at Highway King
Yes.
Dhaba, world famous Highway King Dhaba.
Now we are off to
Our destination for today.
It's too much.
सामान वहाँ उतार देते हैं, पार्किंग यहाँ लगा देंगे, है ना?
मेन कोर्ट पे
ओके,
शॉपिंग।
ठीक है। Our first destination, day 1.
सबसे बड़ा वाला नीचे
तो
सर रूम ना
204, 205।
Hello, we have reached our first destination, Fortune Hotel in Hoshiarpur.
बॉर्डर ही है आपका पंजाब और है उसका हिमाचल का।
सर यहाँ से जस्ट
हाँ,
ऊपर जाओगे ये हिमाचल से
शुरू हो जाएगा।
हिमाचल शुरू हो जाएगा, बॉर्डर शुरू हो जाएगा।
District is so big na and brand new.
Actually, if you go to small places, the hotels are better. We have checked into the room. The room is very nice, as you can see. Taken a nice long shower after a long day of driving and navigating through some really local streets of Punjab, Hoshiarpur to be specific. Fortune Hotel, Hoshiarpur, which is just at the border of Himachal and Punjab. So we are staying here for the night. Right now it's 7 p.m. There is a very nice, big, beautiful temple just across the street. We'll roam around, we'll see everything. Then we'll have a nice dinner and then we will sleep.
Cheers to Hoshiarpur.
Cheers!
The best city in India.
Best country.
Best country in India.
Oh my god, it's like a cave. We are now having dinner at our hotel. We have ordered soup, noodles and chicken. And served so nicely.
So much rabdi.
So wrapping up day 1 of our Delhi to Himachal and Kashmir road trip. Today we have driven from Noida to Hoshiarpur, which is at the border of Himachal and Punjab. We started from home around 7 a.m. crossed Delhi, drove till Amrik Sukhdev Dhaba for breakfast. I've lived in Noida all my life and still this is the first time I've gone to Amrik Sukhdev. So yeah, it is a tick mark for me. Till Amrik Sukhdev, Dad drove. I think it took us around 1 hour to reach Amrik Sukhdev. Then from Amrik Sukhdev, I took over the car. I drove for about 200 kilometers, which was half of our today's drive. We crossed Panipat, Kurukshetra, then we entered Punjab from Ambala. Then we finally reached Hoshiarpur. This is just a stop by on our way to Himachal Pradesh up the mountains, because it's not possible to drive so much in one day. Now I have started contributing in the driving, so that is a big thing for me. After Amrik Sukhdev, I drove non-stop. I would say it's a decent highway. There were around 3 to 4 tolls. Mostly the tolls were not very expensive, 150 to 200 between that. But there was one particular toll which was, I think, the entrance to Fagwada, which was 440 rupees. So that was a big amount for a toll. On that highway only, in fact, there is construction going on in the middle of the highway. So there's a big diversion, and in that diversion there is off-roading. The road is in no condition to drive. Car is totally covered in dust just because of that stretch of probably 1 kilometer. Other than these few small things, the highway is pretty good. NH44. We got off the highway at Fagwada, and from there then we continued with the inner road. Then we have reached the hotel for the day, which is Fortune Hotel in Hoshiarpur. It's a member of ITC Hotels, and for few people like us who are driving to Himachal and want to stop over in between, so this is a great place for stopping over for one night. On our way inside the hotel, I had noticed that temple right across the street. So I suggested to my parents that let's go have a look, and I have just come from there, so it's fresh in my memory. Then we came back to the hotel. We had our dinner at the restaurant. They really served us very well. All in all, till now it has been a great experience in this hotel. It's currently, I think it's 9:49 and we've had our dinner, we've changed and now bed is waiting. We'll sleep, and then tomorrow we are leaving early for drive to the mountain.